Engineers spend 1,000 hours building a product and 0 hours figuring out how to sell it. Hi, I'm Yuri, I'm doing software for the last 15 years, and today we are building our own head of sales AI agent. Before making this video, I've seen lots of videos on using AI as an entity for taking care of routine tasks. Tasks such as cold call chats or email replies or taking care of appointment booking. But how about something strategic? Luckily, my friend Jay approached me and asked, "Hey Valery, I have security SaaS product, please give me hints on how I can start selling it." And I replied, "I don't know, I'm not even Valery and I'm not in sales. But what I know is how to build AI agents. And I know for sure AI models are pretty much aware of sales strategies and how to build a sales pipeline and what is bad and what is good for the sales activities." So we have an MVP of the brand abuse checker platform. It scans the company brand for abuse and mentions in the dark web for bad threats. By the way, let me know in the comments if you want to know more about the brand abuse scanning platform. I will share the link to the product in the description. We have only one person to do all the sales activities, and we have absolutely no idea of pricing and next steps. And we have a couple screenshots how the tool dashboard is looking and the obviously tool dashboard. Having that said, we want to have AI advisor to tell us what the leanest steps we can perform to get market traction. I will use Gemini, as I believe that while being built and trained by Google, Gemini is just having better statistical data. But I do not recognize that much of a difference in the agent capabilities for the sales advisor case. Now, we use prompt engineering to build the agent prompt. It's super simple. You just need to state your current state, product idea, your limitation, your expectation. Be as precise as you can. AI is only good as the constraints you give to it. Jay still has a daily job to do, and we have pretty much limited marketing budget. I have prepared the prompt. The prompt says, "I'm an engineer, I have built my SaaS platform to protect brand from abuse, monitor the dark web for threats and detect credential leaks before they impact your business. I operate security built into every scan. I know nothing of sales and I want to get first market feedback to understand market demand for my tool, features and potential leads, if potential leads are ready to pay for. Understand the buyer persona. I have a website and a dashboard for the MVP. I want to understand where to move before investing in development. I have limited marketing budget around $1,000 and I have limited time budget around 20 hours per week as I still have a job." And here is a link to the tool website. Now let's see the output of the LLM. So now we see that Gemini understands our need and it understands all our constraints. And what we can do now, we can ask it to generate a MD file, which is gonna be instructions for the AI agent Gem. So here is a prompt. Please generate MD instructions for the sales manager Gem. And here we go. We have an easy copy-paste block in the MD file. All we need to do is copy the response and cut from there the block which is intended to be copy and pasted. I'm using Sublime to cut all the rest, and now I can copy MD instructions and I go to gems, I hit create new gem, I call it sales manager, I will keep description empty, pasting the instruction, and what I do, I will add some screenshots of the dashboard, maybe to get some hints on what I can improve on the dashboard itself. Right, now I have all three dashboard images attached, so I click Save. I see the confirmation that Sales Manager has been created, and now I can start chatting. So I have asked it to give me top 3 actions for the next 2 weeks. And as a result, we have a couple pretty much straightforward ideas. Is to select the potential leads and scan them and proactively offer help to their engineering staff, such as CTOs, as well some founder-to-founder actions. And there is a checklist of your daily activities, what you can do just to start moving with your sales process. So now you have the clear understanding where to start, what should you do, and how you should move. Why use an agent, not just a chat? Yes, in terms of advisor, you can grow with the chat context to get almost the same result. Anyone can paste a prompt into a window. But as engineers, we know about state management. In a long chat, the state of your business goals gets diluted by previous messages. Think of the agent as function with immutable system constraints. No matter how long the conversation goes, the sales VP personality doesn't drift. It reads every input through the lens of sales VP, preventing the model from hallucinating helpful but irrelevant advices. The agent has motivated intentional context. It will push you to the statistically right decisions. Standard LLMs chat sessions suffer from context drift and instructional decay. By creating a game or a system-prompted agent, we are effectively pinning the system role and constraints, ensuring the temperature of the responses stay focused on ROI, not just conversational filter. The agent is for locked actions. I am an engineer, Jay is engineer. We might have absolutely zero idea how to approach the sales process. AI gives us a chance to imagine and take very first steps to evaluate what is good and what is bad market feedback. A top-tier human consultant is worth their weight in gold, but for a bootstrapped MVP, you don't need $300 per hour consultant to tell you your pricing page is confusing. You need a logic engine that's seen 10,000 SaaS landing pages before. And yet so far, AI advisors are an agile tool in MVP business development. I'm creating AI advisor now for any of my activities. Even now, this script for this video was reviewed a couple times by my AI YouTube producer. See you in the next video about my AI-driven marketing intelligence tool agent called Colossus. It's gonna be amazing. See you.